So Elon Musk has just shared a very important yet interesting message for Dogecoin holders. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why it is so important for Doge. So Elon Musk shared this tweet on the same date last year. And this is a meme related to Dogecoin that got massive traction back then. This meme is related to the famous movie The Lion King, and it is about Elon Musk supporting Dogecoin. And seeing this, other celebrities are also starting to support Doge. And now, we can see here that Musk has commented on his own tweet after a year. So he tweeted a laughing emoji, and it appears that he is still finding it very amusing. While this Dogecoin meme is very amusing, the key thing to note here is that Musk has yet again endorsed Dogecoin. And since we know that Dogecoin has been rallying up during the last 48 hours, the timing of his tweet is just perfect. This is because Dogecoin will get more traction now, and this tweet from Elon Musk is going to help Doge to continue its upward rally in the following trading sessions. But I think that the most important thing about this tweet from Elon Musk is that when he tweeted it back in February 2021, Doge was rallying up. In fact, this rally for Doge took its price to its all-time high of 73 cents. So what I want to say is that something similar is happening right now. We know that Doge has started an upward movement. And by commenting on this tweet, I think Elon Musk is saying that he is expecting a similar massive rally for Dogecoin. And I think that he is believing that Doge is now going to hit a new all-time high during this rally. And I think it is now highly likely that we may see Doge hitting a new all-time high during this cycle. This is because Elon Musk's support for Doge is going to act as a major catalyst that can help its price to reach new highs. But besides Musk's support, there are many other bullish indicators that are telling us that something big is going to happen for Doge. For example, we know that Doge has been getting massive traction on different social media platforms. And just recently, the official Twitter account of Dogecoin has surpassed 3 million followers. And it has now become the second largest crypto on Twitter, behind only Bitcoin. So we are now seeing that the popularity of Dogecoin is increasing day by day, and it is getting massive traction throughout the crypto community. And another bullish catalyst for Doge is that more and more investors are now getting bullish on Dogecoin. And this is why we are now seeing that the number of holders for Doge has been increasing dramatically. And it appears that investors' interest in Dogecoin is at its peak as about 8,000 new addresses on average are joining and accumulating Doge on a daily basis. And another huge catalyst for Doge is going to be the launch of Doge 1 mission this year. So as I talked about it in my recent video, there is now more and more confirmation that this moon mission is going to be launched somewhere around October. And since it is funded by Dogecoin, it is very important for Doge. And Doge is going to get massive traction once this mission officially launches. So these are some massive bullish indicators for Dogecoin. And this is why I think Elon Musk is believing that Doge is going to hit a new all-time high this year. All in all, things are now nicely shaping up for Doge. And this is why I'm getting more and more bullish on it. But this is not it. There is another very important update about Dogecoin that I think you shouldn't miss, but I will come to it later. Let's first come to Dogecoin's current price movement. So we are now seeing that Dogecoin has started to trend to the upside, and things are now nicely shaping up for it. And we can see here that it is now trading above the 10-day and 20-day exponential moving average. And it is also trading above its very important 30-day exponential moving average. And these are some very bullish indicators for it. Moreover, Dogecoin's current upward movement has also allowed it to regain the 20-day simple moving average as support, which indicates that longer-term sentiment has turned pretty bullish. Also, this upward movement has caused Dogecoin to print a large bullish Marubozu candlestick on far higher than average volume. And at the time of recording this video, Dogecoin's volume was over 500 million compared to the 10-day average of about 222 million. So this is indicating that there is a great deal of interest in Dogecoin. So the point is that we are now seeing more and more confirmation that Doge is going to continue this positive momentum. And it is highly likely that it is going to print some massive gains in the coming days or weeks. In any case, I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice, since I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm just expressing my opinion here, so it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now, if we come to Bitcoin, we can see here that it is also looking pretty good. And since it is the leading crypto, its upward movement is driving up the prices of the overall crypto market, especially Dogecoin. So after successfully breaching the resistance around the 40K range, Bitcoin is now aiming to go past the next resistance level around 45K, and I think it is very possible that Bitcoin can manage to go past this resistance level in the coming trading sessions. This is because we are now seeing some massive bullish indicators for Bitcoin. For example, we are now seeing that the trader sentiment for Bitcoin has improved a lot, and this means that more and more traders are now getting bullish on Bitcoin. So we are now seeing that the trading volume across major Bitcoin exchanges ticked higher during the start of this week. And this means that more and more people are now getting into Bitcoin. And another thing is that an important technical indicator is showing us that there is now additional room for Bitcoin towards the resistance level of around 45K, and it is likely that Bitcoin is going to clear it since it is currently testing its 50-day moving average. So this is very positive for Bitcoin. Moreover, we are now seeing that more and more analysts are also getting bullish on Bitcoin. So as per analyst Kevin Svenson, just in the same way, we saw continuous dumping for Bitcoin in the last few months with no relief, we may now see something exactly the opposite. And he believes that it is highly likely because if it happened on the way down, why not on the way up? So what exactly he is saying is that just like Bitcoin remained on the low side for some weeks, it is now highly likely that Bitcoin is going to remain on the upside for the next few weeks or maybe months. And since Bitcoin has already started to move up, I think it can happen. Similarly, prominent crypto analyst TechDad is also hoping for Bitcoin to initiate a big move to the upside. And he believes that since Bitcoin has been consolidating for nearly a year, it is now likely that this running flat trend line could turn into a running triangle. And this is exactly why he thinks that the next impulse for Bitcoin is poised to be a big one. And we can see here on this chart that after forming a running flat trend line during this consolidation period, Bitcoin appears to be forming a running triangle now. And it is now highly likely that Bitcoin is going to move up and hit the 0.618 Fibonacci level. And as per this chart, if Bitcoin manages to do so, then its price can go as high as 200K. So this is something very bullish, and I think we should definitely not rule out this scenario for Bitcoin. Moreover, we are now getting more and more confirmation that Bitcoin is going to get some more gains in the following trading sessions. And as per crypto analyst Plan C, the market reversal indicator of Bitcoin is currently at 60.4. And the good thing is that it has been increasing each day since Bitcoin crossed the 50 trend line. So this is a clear confirmation telling us that the current reversal movement of Bitcoin has a good amount of momentum. And this means that so far there are no signs of it slowing down. All in all, it is now pretty much clear that Bitcoin is going to continue its positive momentum in the coming days as well. And as I said before, this bullish scenario for Bitcoin is going to help altcoins as well. But Dogecoin's price is going to get more traction since we know that it has the highest correlation with Bitcoin. And I know this correlation hasn't worked well for Bitcoin in the recent past. But things are looking more positive now, and I think Doge will also go up if Bitcoin manages to continue its positive momentum in the coming days. And now, as promised, let's come to another very positive update for Dogecoin. So we are now seeing that Dogecoin is revolutionizing different sectors throughout the world. And one of these sectors is charity initiatives. It has been revealed that more and more people have been making donations with Dogecoin to different charitable organizations. And thanks to Dogecoin's low transaction fee and smoother process, people are finding it easy to donate with Dogecoin. In fact, all these organizations also think that donations in Dogecoin are very beneficial for them. So this is yet another utility of Doge. And more importantly, it is great to see Dogecoin getting used for some noble causes. And another thing is that Dogecoin is getting adopted in different sectors. And this is exactly why I think that Dogecoin is going to get mainstream adoption in 2022 and beyond. And this mainstream adoption is going to increase its price as well.